The goal was really to create a product that opened every means of transport to everybody.
FreeNow is Europe's mobility super app. So we're active in over 150 cities. We at FreeNow believe that the solution to mobility and to future mobility is not about putting more vehicles on the street, but to actually partner with those providers who already have the services on the street.
A mobility budget is a prepaid allowance given by companies to their employees for all of their personal transportation. So we did this in the first step through our apps that offered a lot of natively integrated partners, but then we really decided to push the offering.
Issuing allows our employees to book services which are not directly in the app.
Offering the card allowed us to not have a geographical barrier because it is usable anywhere in the world. Outside of the app, you would just take it out of your digital wallet and actually just press it on the contactless terminal that would allow you to pay for train tickets, gas, parking, anything mobility related.
New prospects actually saw that with this new solution and the mobility card, they can have an even more attractive benefit for their employees.
We've seen an increase of 500% on companies that we onboarded on the solution, and we've seen an 800% increase of the employees added to our platform. It was important for us to work with Adyen because they give us one single platform that allowed us to scale bigger.
With Adyen, we don't have the effort of putting all different pieces together, but get a single platform that empowered us at FreeNow to bring a product to the market, which is really loved by our clients and their employees.
Building something that offers more option, but more efficient and more sustainable, I think is something that makes a lot of sense for me, and I'm actually surprised the world has not developed this sooner.
Audio is the only AI modality that can actually make you feel something. Every voice is different, and every voice has different changes in
pitch,
in accent,
in inflection, in emotion.
We've now crossed the threshold of creating human-like speech with AI. All the audio in this was generated by the Leather Labs, and the voice you're hearing right now, it's actually my voice clone. And only 11 Labs sounds were used to compose the music. 11 Labs started about 2.5 years ago, and we're now a unicorn. Our voices have the
highest quality,
the most emotion,
the best expressivity,
the highest reliability.
We launched with 11 voices, but we knew we wanted to go global, and we've got hundreds of thousands of subscribers on our self-serve platform. We've got enterprises like Perplexity and Time Magazine and Bertelsmann. We managed to do all this through what was mainly the first engineer setting up Stripe billing, then subscriptions were up and running. With Stripe, we were able to go very quickly from this initial billing product, taking subscriptions, then integrating usage-based pricing, and then expanding from our 11 voices up to over 2,000 now on our platform. We wouldn't have got the voices without the voice actors and this marketplace.
AI will even change the basic modalities of online commerce.
And so with this marketplace, we're able to directly incentivize them to upload their voice, still control the rights, control exactly what different types of content they use on this platform. We went with Stripe Connect to handle all the different payouts, the KYC, the anti-fraud risk. And since then, we've done over $3 million of payouts. We have voice actors who are earning over $10,000 a month in passive income. At the moment, we have one engineer putting half their time on payments. And I think without Stripe, if we had to do all the subscription infrastructure, handling all the different geos, I'd expect this to be a full engineering team dedicated purely to payments. At 11 Labs, it's like you're in a car race. You're trying to do normal engineering or product or growth, and you're racing against everyone else. And then the research team comes in with the world's next best model. It gives you that nitro boost to push way past the competition. It's absolutely crucial to move quickly, ship fast, and that's why we need to partner with a company like Stripe to constantly adapt our business model.
Western Union is an iconic company that has been around for over 171 years.
We today provide trusted services of moving money around the world for our customers.
What we've always done as a company has been connecting people. The common factor that our customers have is that they move countries, they move continents, really aspiring for more, trying to do better for themselves and for their families.
And as part of that, we need to give them an offering, a product that can support that livelihood and that lifestyle.
The strategy to go into digital banking is to serve our customers more broadly.
So for us, it was how do we allow them to manage their money in multiple currencies? How do we allow them to have a card that can work in 180 countries where they can use their money wherever they are?
We want to enable them to have digital methods of payments, to be able to make basic purchases, to pay bills online, to hold different currencies so that they can manage their multinational needs in one place with Western Union.
And for us, Marqeta enables all those use cases through their platform, through their solution that can plug in seamlessly to our capabilities. We not only have a physical card, we also have a virtual card as well. We have seen Marqeta be the trusted advisor for us on not just issuing the card, but doing the card processing and the card management, but also chargebacks, case management, disputes. We don't have the expertise with hundreds of millions of transactions and clients around the world like Marqeta does, where they've seen those fraud patterns and they know those fraud patterns across the different transactions. They can now seamlessly plug it into our solution to support our customers and our cards. Compared to other platforms that required us to do large-scale coding and required us to take well over 6 months to a year to go to market, Marqeta helped us do that in less than 6 months. We've already rolled out in a few countries. We have plans to continue to expand across Europe and across the US and across Brazil.
Our purpose and our mission is to be able to offer accessible financial services so that we can remove at least some parts of the hardships that our customers face as they move around the world in search for opportunity.